Welcome to Big Talbot Island, a natural treasure nestled northeast of Jacksonville, Florida. This island is a haven for biodiversity, home to a variety of species from migratory birds to native plants and marine life. But this natural paradise is under threat. Erosion, pollution, and human interference have left their mark. Conservation efforts are now more crucial than ever to preserve this ecological gem. In this video, we explore the ongoing conservation work at Big Talbot Island. We'll delve into the importance of environmental stewardship and habitat restoration and show you how you can contribute to these efforts. Big Talbot Island's diverse ecosystems make it a unique geographical location. It's part of the Talbot Island State Park system, a sanctuary for a rich variety of flora and fauna. The island also serves as an important stopover for migratory birds along the Atlantic Flyway, making it a crucial part of the larger ecosystem. Conservation efforts here are vital. From removing invasive species to monitoring native wildlife and restoring habitats, every initiative plays a role in preserving the island's biodiversity. Volunteers are the heart of these conservation efforts. Their work in cleanup events, planting native species, and wildlife monitoring is essential. You too can make a difference. Big Talbot Island also offers educational programs to raise public awareness about conservation. Guided tours and community activities provide hands-on learning experiences about environmental stewardship. When you visit Big Talbot Island, remember to enjoy it responsibly. Follow leave no trace principles, stay on designated trails, and respect park rules to minimize your environmental impact. Join us in safeguarding the beauty of Big Talbot Island for generations to come. Your support and involvement are crucial in this ongoing journey of conservation. Let's work together to preserve this unique ecosystem for future generations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nature-filled adventures and conservation stories from Doreen McGunagle, fine art nature photographer.